Hey guys, and welcome back to another video.
And today we're going to be doing 2 DIY slime containers.
Okay, so the first DIY slime container we're going to be doing is a cat. And you're going to be needing some clay of the color slime that you have that you're going to be putting inside the container. And then some pink clay for the inside of the cat ears. And then any container that you're going to put your slime in, any container is fine. And then just a permanent marker or Sharpie to draw the face. So the first step that we're going to start with is drawing the face onto the container. You can do this face or any other face that you want. So I'm going to start with the eyes. You can add the eyelashes if you want on it. But I'm just doing that because I want this to be like a girl cat. Okay, so those are the eyes. Now we're going to go into the nose. So there's your face. So I added, with a white gel pen and a pink gel pen, I added the little dots on the eyes. I colored it in white. You can do this if you want to. You don't have to do it. And then on the nose, I colored it in pink. And so now let's get on to the ears. So I did the ears in this like triangle shape, and then I did another small triangle in pink. And then I stuck it on there, and if it's not sticking for you, you can just like hot glue it on or something. And so I did those with both of these. And then you're going to get the lid, and you're going to put them on top like this, near the center. Same with the other one. And then you're going to go ahead and add your slime in. So this is the finished slime container. I went ahead and hot glued the ears on the lid because it wasn't really sticking. So yeah, so this is a finished slime container.
So I am going to make a unicorn slime container, and what you will need is a Sharpie or a permanent marker. You can do whatever color you want for this. This is going to be the mane of the unicorn, and this is going to be the unicorn horn, and this is the color of your slime. And you'll also need any container. I'm using this to show an example of let's say you have a small slime, this is what you could use. So I went ahead and drew the face. I drew just the eyes because I'm doing one of those unicorns with just the eyes. But you could do whatever face you want. So yeah, this is my face. So we are going to make the mane and the horn and the ears. So first we're going to start off by making the horn. So we're going to take a little bit of clay and roll it up. And then you're going to kind of make it into a pointy shape like this. And then kind of work it down, lightly tapping each time, trying to make the horn in a perfect shape. You can make the horn any size you want, as long as it can be seen when you're getting your slime out. And then now I'm going to make the mane. So basically, it depends how long your container is, and then the mane is going to wrap around the horn like a normal one, and then it's going to kind of go like this, like that when it's on. So now we are going to make the ears. You can either make them kind of like cat ears, or you can make them kind of like round ears. But I'm going to go ahead and kind of make pointy ears, like so. And it should be looking like this, so one on each side. And yeah, that is the ears, the horn, and the mane.
So this is the finished version of the unicorn container, and now you can go ahead and put your slime in.
These are the 2 completed slime containers.
And hope you guys liked the video. Please be sure to subscribe and leave a like below. And see you next time.
Thanks for watching. So these are the 2 finished slime containers. I hope you guys like. How did you manage to drop the container?
don't know.
What we're gonna start with is drawing the face onto the container. So I don't know what I'm gonna say. I don't know.
So
These are the 2.